What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, my friends. Today was just a beautiful textbook day. We had beautiful fibs today, guys, taking us up and down. Very fair day. The number one question that I get asked a lot is, can we use fibs on stocks like Tesla, AMD, big names? Can we use them on lottos? So I'm going to be breaking it all down. I'm going to go through a real example of what we did with Tesla today as well. I'm going to giving you guys step by step, walking you through everything. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first, who do we have in the building? And then we'll get started. Doc, what's going on? Marcelo, what's going on? Ramon, Trading Wars Army. What's going on, brother? Ernesto, Moon, Edwin, Trading Wars Army. What's going on, brother? Tyler, what's going on? Produce Chips. What's going on, brother? Joseph, good to see you. All right, let's just go ahead and retweet this out. Let's let everybody know that we're live. And let's get this party started. So I'm just going to go here, and I'm just going to let everybody know we're live. Live now. Let's do this. Class in session. Boom. All right. So back over here, guys. Let me pull this over here. All right. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to go through my Tesla stuff step by step. And then actually, let's start off with SPY first to make things simple here. And then we'll go on to Tesla. All right, so the first thing that happened today, guys, first of all, we always need to draw the previous day's high and low. That's always the first step. So here's our high, there's our low, and then here's our high, okay? So a few things that we need to do. I'm going to go ahead and hit the replay, okay? And I'm going to go over to the 3-minute chart. And one thing that I want you to remember here, when you're trading names like Tesla, when you're trading these big names, always remember, guys, that these names, they tend to move just like SPY, a lot of them, or just like the Qs. Right? So I want you to focus on that and remember that when we get back to the Tesla play that we took later today. Just remember that a lot of the times they move with the major indices, but they also move a little bit more volatile, right? So like Tesla, the overall direction is usually a little bit similar to SPY, but it's more volatile, okay? So the first thing that I did today, guys, let me go ahead and pull this up. Loading right here. So the first thing that I did here, guys, is I started off with the opening range breakout. So some of you might say, hey, Rich, why did you take the opening range breakout? So the first 3-minute bar came right there. So we gapped down. So how do you think this feels right now for the bulls? So remember, the bulls bought the dip here yesterday. And, we bought the dip here, but we took profits, right? But for anybody that got greedy, for anybody that was overambitious, for anybody that was swing trading, investing, when we gap down like this after a big bullish run like this, what do you think happens? How do the bulls feel? Right? How does the bull feels when we drop down like this? What do you think? So they're in danger right off the bat. They're trapped, right? They're trapped right off the bat. They had a position. They were holding it. They were thinking it's going to go to the moon. So right there, guys, that is a sign of volatility for me. So that's why I went ahead and I started with the 3-minute opening range breakout. So how do we trade the 3-minute opening range breakout? So first, I let the candle close. And then if it breaks the high, I'm going to go long. If it breaks the low, I'm going to go short. So you can see here at 8:33 Central, 9:33 Eastern, I went short basically right on this bar. Boom, right there. So we got a nice clean breakdown. So let me show you how I took profits here. So we just take the Fibonacci on the candle from the high to the low. My first target is always the 272 extension. And then we move on to the 50 and then so on and so forth. We try to get all of these targets on the way down. And as soon as we get enough cushion here, I put the stop loss to break even. So you'll see right here. So I said first target 373.05, send the red, target one hit. Boom. Next target 372.82, cover some, no greed, patient. Boom. Target two hit, moving my stop loss to break even. So we had a really nice little opening range breakout. You could see here, next candle comes in, bam. So that's what you're looking for on the orb right there, guys. You're looking for just come in, take some volatility, and lock in some money real quick, okay? So hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. Hit me with the 3. Right? So now let's just go over to Tesla. Let's replay this together, okay? Let's replay this together. So same thing, let's go to the 3-minute, and you'll see, okay? So the difference is, right? So Tesla, the low of Tesla is all the way over here, down here. So we didn't break that low. Instead, we opened inside, but you could see we still had that 3-minute orb right there. Boom, boom. Very similar to SPY. So nice little winner there. So that's why I always apply the same strategies that I trade on SPY. I always apply them to bigger instruments, single stocks. Okay, so from there, the next thing we had, guys, we went right into the afternoon, the morning leg Fibonacci right after. So let me just show you here. So this was today. So we drew the morning leg. So the same thing I'm showing you, we drew that up right there. And I'm going to walk you through that right now. Okay, so now the morning leg, what you do is you keep your anchor at the high and you bring it down to the low. Okay, and if it goes lower, you just move it a little lower. So come down here, move it lower like this. Okay, continue. Okay, it's going lower. We move it lower like this. Okay, and what you're doing is you're just waiting for that retracement. So because you don't want to chase the puts, right? The real winners of that short were the people that took the opening range breakout. You don't want to short on this candle, right? Because if you try to short on that candle, you're most likely going to get a bad fill. You're going to get a bad price. So I have the golden zone outlined right here in yellow. And you'll see right here, we came back up, boom, right there on the 50 and on the 618. So this right here, guys, a textbook 618 Fibonacci leg. So let's go back to the room here. So you could see 618 filled short right here, guys. So honest question right here. How many of you would be comfortable taking a short right here? Hit me with a 1. Would you be comfortable? Or hit me with a 2 if you would be a little bit nervous. And this is the power of the golden zone Fibonacci. Because remember this, 61.8%. Look at, as soon as we touch it, you see that rejection as well as the 50. You see, as soon as we touch them, we have a rejection like boom, boom. And the reason is the algorithm is taking that pullback to get a cheaper price on the puts. Okay. So right there, guys, we came in, bam, right there. Another little rejection. There we go. So we even had an outside bar confirmation here on the 618 because we broke the high and we turned back around. So that's even more powerful. And that's beautiful, guys. Send me the rockets on that trade. So today, guys, we had bread and butter. Bread was the orb, and then we came back and hit the 618 fib right there. That is the butter. So we had the bread and the butter, guys. So beautiful, beautiful plays. 2 awesome trades to start off the morning. And that's pretty much it. Like if you don't need to trade more than that. What time is that? 10 o'clock. Okay. So that's 10 o'clock right there, guys. You could wrap it up. You could wrap it up if you want. You don't need to force yourself to continuously trade once you get the, you have a good play. So we hit those 2 guys. And then after that, we came in to the 272 extension. Remember, I told you this 272 extension is a common area of reversal. I tell you guys that every stream. So watch right there. We tagged the 272. Boom. We put in another outside bar confirmation here. And remember, how many legs before a reversal? How many legs before a reversal in general? How many legs do I say? How many legs do we see? We usually get 1 leg, pull back, and a second leg. The market likes to move in 2 legs, right? Unless it's a trend day. In a trend day, you'll have unlimited legs. But generally, you can go 2 legs and you're out. 2 legs and you're out. So we come now to the 272. The bulls step in right there. You see that, guys? And then watch this. We even put in a little bit of we put in a holy grail here for another confirmation, and we run it all the way back up, guys. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful, guys. This is Trading Wars. This is my Fibs. This is what we do. This is a perfect scenario because everybody can eat. Everybody can eat, the bulls and the bears. Those are the days that make me the most excited because I don't care how you're trading it, what you're doing, but I know that everybody had a fair chance to make money today. So I'm very, very happy about that. Okay. And then now a few more things. Okay. Just hit me with a 6. Are you following me? Is everything okay? Because there's a lot right there to digest. Okay. We had the bread, which was the orb, and then we had the butter, which was the 618. We came into the 272 reversal right there, guys. And then I'm going to show you some more stuff right now. So lock in right now. Put your seatbelt on because we have this fib. Remember the gap fill fib? I taught you that yesterday. Here's your low to high right on the 618, right on the 618 of the gap. Watch a little bit of a double top, run it back down. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Stop for a second. You see this? This is beautiful. 618 right here. 618 right here. Guess what now? Guess what? This is a 618 right too. Right here. That's a 618 too. That's the sequence leg right here. Watch this. See that, guys? 618. The algo was here and it wasn't playing games today. It was not. Hit me with a 10 if your mind is blown. Okay. 618, 618, 618. Okay. What about this now? What about this? Can we get another afternoon leg into the close? Can we? Here's our low. There's our high. And we're in the golden zone right here. Here's your 50 to your 786. Put in a little bit inside. We put a little inside bar in there. We come here, Holy Grail, and she's gone again. This is beautiful. This is my masterpiece, guys. This is me busting my ass off for many, many years to understand this shit. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. It doesn't get better than that. We had the outside double inside bar confirmation right on that 50. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Hit me with an 11 if you enjoyed that. So let's move over to Tesla now. Is it possible that we could also use the fibs on Tesla? Is that possible? Let's see. Okay, same thing. So let's draw up our morning leg. So there's our low, our high, and our low. Okay, if it goes lower, we move the anchor. So boom, right there. Okay, we're pulling in. Okay, back right here into the golden zone, 50 to 786 right there. We have a Nirvana. We have a Ragnarok. That's your Ragnarok pattern right there. And we go back down. It's beautiful, guys. It's really beautiful. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. Look at this Ragnarok. That's why I love combining the candlestick patterns with the Fibonacci. It makes it like icing on the cake. We come back down here. No, don't play with me now. Don't tell me this is going to be the low of the day, the Trading Wars Nirvana pattern. Don't do that to me. Let me see. Oh my God. I don't know. I don't know what to say, guys. Sorcery. Okay. And then the last play we had, again, very similar, that afternoon leg right there, guys. This one came a little bit deeper into the 618. All right. And what a lot of people don't know is we also have a Fibonacci stock room where we draw this. You see these legs? We draw them for Tesla today, and we also did it for AMC. So, guys, check this out too, man. I'm telling you, we draw the fibs every single day. No, because look, it's easy to do this in hindsight. It's very difficult to do it in real time. You have to know your anchors. You have to know what you're looking for. You have to understand the price action. It takes a little bit of time to get there, guys. All right, my friends. So there we go. That was my SPY recap right there. That was my Tesla recap. Guys, this is where it happens right here, tradingwars.com. All right, this is the only place where I'm at. Check me out, guys. Here's the Fibonacci and Options Mastery book. Check it out. 70 pages, 50 charts, part 1 and part 2. You get 1 month for free. Come trade with us live tomorrow. Lotto Friday is going to be a big, powerful day. Come trade with us live tomorrow here, guys. Get 1 month free in the room. You get my indicators for life. So the Nirvana, that's the blue one right there. This blue indicator, you'll get it for life. And you'll get it so it could send alerts to your phone, send it to your email, whatever you want, guys. So beautiful, guys. Hit me with a 6 if you enjoyed the stream. I'm going to keep it short and sweet today. All right? So where are we heading tomorrow with Tesla? That's not a good question. That is not a good question. That's not how we trade. We react to the price action. We take a bar by bar approach. We don't ever speculate. Speculation will make you lose all your money. 100%. I could tell you that. All right, let's go here. Trendspider. Let's run some scans. Let's wrap it up. What do we have right here? Blue raindrop. Let's see. Do we have anything in the building? Thank you, Andy. Appreciate you, brother. I'll be posting some pics right after the stream on the Twitter, so make sure you follow the Twitter. MGM. Okay, nice little tight blue raindrop here. Also an inside bar, very similar to this one right here. So could open up some volatility on MGM tomorrow. Otherwise than that, I don't see anything else that I'm interested here. Let's look for potential holy grails. Nike, beautiful setup here on Nike, guys. Very similar to this last one here. Nike is going to be on the top watch list for tomorrow. Right there. Look at that. Beautiful. Very similar to this one. Let's see if we had another one. Back here, look, this one was clean. Take you all the way down. So there's a nice Nirvana. Oh, boy. Tesla wants to play with us, too. Tesla's out here, too, guys. Okay. So a nice, tight Holy Grail pattern. Okay. That could be a very powerful Lotto Friday setup, guys. Don't play around with this one. Very, very nice. Let's look for a Nirvana. Oops, that's the weekly. We don't want to look at the weekly chart. We want to look at the daily chart. Let's see if we can find any Nirvanas. Tesla, Boeing, Nirvana. Yep, I saw somebody asking about that, one of our brothers here. Boeing, very similar to this last Nirvana and this one right here. Very good patterns going into tomorrow. I could tell you right now, tomorrow is going to be extremely powerful. Okay, and then for those of you asking, we post lotto plays in the Fibonacci live stock room as well. Okay, there's going to be some lottos like this. There'll be some lottos going into tomorrow for Lotto Friday. So be ready, guys. Get serious, man. Check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested. As always, guys, comment, like, subscribe. I'm really showing you all my secrets here, guys. I don't hold anything back. I really don't. You know, I'm not going to tell you to buy a moving average course for $5,000 when the 9 crosses the 21 and blah, blah, blah. Like, we don't have time for those games. All right. We're all about enriching people's lives, taking them to the next level, guys. We give value to get value. Remember that motto. If you have that mindset in your life, you will always be successful. Give value to get value. All right. Check me out at tradingwars.com, guys. Appreciate you. Take care.